Yo, what's going on, guys? Yeah, and let me quickly explain what's going on here. I'm very late. The market's about to open. I do apologize. I don't know if you can even understand me. I just got my wisdom tooth removed, so my whole face is numb. I literally got it done, like removed like 20 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. So yeah, but we're here for market open. We don't miss this shit, okay? Um, yeah, but don't forget to like and subscribe for my pain because it is gonna hurt later. My whole mouth is numb. I can't speak. Otherwise, hope you guys are doing well. I hope your trades have been hitting, first of all. And yeah, I'm bullish again today. The 4 hour is definitely bullish. So yeah, Asian session lows all the way down here. Bro, I sound so weird. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know if you can understand me. But yeah, my whole face is numb, so it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna make some money. Let's go on to the 1 hour chart. Just so I can mark out some lows. And it looks like we're gonna hit this prominent low straight away. But yeah, I'll update you guys if anything interesting happens. We've got highs and lows, you know the drill. I'm gonna mark these out in the S&P as well. We just tapped into a fair value gap, two fair value gaps actually in LFVG. So that's pretty nice, pretty crazy, straight off the bat. But yeah, boom. We've already hit some liquidity that we might need, and we're getting a decent reaction. Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. But yeah, it was my top left wisdom tooth, or was this one? As you can see, the whole face is numb. I'm actually starting to get some feeling back. I don't know if that's good or not. I'm looking for the inverse of this fair value gap. Even this fair value gap, honestly. Oh, shit. Yeah, I wouldn't mind inversing this fair value gap of this LFVG. Actually, did we sweep this prominent? We did. Okay, so it's like kind of like a double play in a sense, right? But yeah, I'll probably, if I do enter the trade off of this, but the thing is, it's not even macro yet. So I'm a little bit uncomfortable entering. Did we sweep it on? No, we didn't sweep it on the S&P. It looks like we've got a 5-minute SMT divergence though of these. It's very slight. Extreme. It's actually not those ones. It's actually these ones. It's a very slight SMT divergence, but it is there. So what I'm thinking is take profit 1 and 2, and then take profit. Well, maybe full take profit here. We're all gonna inverse the fair value gap. So my ideal trade right now would be to inverse this fair value gap and then hopefully come in for a third confluence. So we had our liquidity sweep, our breaker structure. Well, we are gonna break structure because this is the newest high. And then hopefully like a retrace into a breaker block, which would be right here, or like maybe a fair value gap. Hopefully we don't tap into this just yet. Then I can go for a solid 1 to 2 and not worry about this. If it still works out the same. Yeah, because we are kind of ripping. We also do have the order block right here. Turn on the magnet. Order block right here. Yeah, here's the breaker structure. Unless we just tank down now, but I don't think we will. In 2 seconds. Yep, there we go. Okay, and yeah, it invalidates the fair value gap almost immediately. There is still a little gap. Yeah, this has been inverted now. I'll keep it highlighted, but only up until like here. Yeah, okay. There's no fair value gap anymore. We're into the order block and breaker block right now. So I could be looking for 1-minute breaker structure. I'm gonna risk 1% again today. Wait, I didn't check news. Do we have any news? Nothing. Okay, now I'm looking for a breaker structure. Or actually, if this closes, then we can inverse the fair value gap. But it looks like we're just going for the breaker structure because there's very little fair value gap now. Very tiny. Is that even a fair value gap at this point? It looks like we are going to close. Bearish actually close. It is before the macro, so It does kind of suck. I'd like to enter in during the macro. I'm going to be patient with my entry though. I'm going to wait. Going for a solid 1 to 2. If we break structure here. Yeah, we didn't break structure there. Okay, well I'm in. Because, I mean, the signs were there. So hopefully we don't just insta tap me out. It looks like that might happen. But yeah, I'm in. It gave me the signs. It is before the macro. So not ideal. But nothing I can do. But it is pretty much the model that I used yesterday. So that's great. So hopefully we come up with a dub here. My stop loss is a little bit too high. Get it right on the 1%er. Can't be risking stuff like that. I would like to see some legs up now though. Not gonna lie. Yeah, so this will be take profit 1 and I'll move it to break even. So whatever I make from taking out, I'll move my stop loss to. But yeah, that was a very quick session. I'm in 15, which is kind of crazy. Let's see how this turns out. Hopefully we hit some London highs today. I'll update you guys as soon as anything happens. It looks like we're gonna go up quite quick here, but I am a little bit scared of this thing right here. Yo guys, so I actually moved my take profit a little bit higher. I moved it up to here. Yeah, I moved it up to here, and then I'm gonna pretty much just we did sweep London highs, so we're probably gonna feel some resistance now on the S&P, that is. I would hope that we hit at least these highs so I can take profits and close out for a little bit like more than this. Oh, yo, okay, so I didn't take profits because we literally just straight up banged through these highs. We did not care about them at all, and we came straight through. Easy 100 bucks. I'm not gonna lie. Very nice trade. I'm very happy with that. Honestly, I needed it. But yeah, I hope you guys. Oh wait, let's quickly review the trade before I do anything else. Okay, so it's pretty much the same model as yesterday. We had this 1 hour LFVG that we ended up hitting, and these highs, or sorry, these lows that we ended up hitting on the NAS 100, but not on the S&P. So we made a bullish, what's it? A bullish SMT, and then off that SMT, we had a breaker structure and inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute. And then we tapped into a breaker block and an order block. So yeah, we tapped into those, and then we inversed a 1-minute fair value gap. So that was the trade. Honestly, amazing trade. What's it, a 15-minute trade? Not even. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys took an easy win like this again. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. This is how you end off a week. But yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week, or actually tomorrow, when I do my weekly recap, because I haven't made one for like 2 weeks. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace.